January 5th, 2021 Daily Math Review. The snack bar at the soccer field is charging $12 for 9 hamburgers. At that rate, how many hamburgers could you get for $20? All right, so we have a table here to help us out. So the snack bar is saying that they're charging $12. So here's the money for 9 hamburgers. Here's those hamburgers. So for 9 hamburgers, that's already in our table here. For 9 hamburgers, how much does it cost? Oh yeah, it costs $12. So I'm going to put in my table $12 because this is our money here. So $12 for 9 hamburgers. Now, at that rate, so we're going to finish this table. We're going to figure out how many hamburgers we could get for $20. So first of all, let's look at this table. Now, can we go from 12 to 9 or 9 to 12? Not really, right? So 12 to 9 and 9 to 12, we can't really go that way. How about 4 to 12? 4 to 12. Can we do that? Yeah, or we can even go the opposite way. Well, I know 4 times 3 is 12, so I know that 4 times 3 is 12. So what times 3 is going to be 9? Or, whoa, my bad. Whoa, here we go. Times 3 is going to be 9. So I know that 3 times 3 is 9. I can also look at it and say, okay, well, if I go the opposite way, if I go the other way, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So then 9 divided by 3, does that equal 3? Yes, it does. Now, we need to figure out for $20 how many hamburgers we can buy. So, what we can do here is we can take a look and see, okay, well, how can I get from 4 to 20? Well, I know to get from 4 to 20, I can multiply by 5 because 4 times 5 is 20. Now we can do the same thing over here. What is 3 times 5? So remember, what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. 3 times 5 is going to be 15. So now, when we take a look at this, we have it says, how many hamburgers could you get for $20? Here's that money for $20. How many hamburgers can we get? 15 hamburgers. So I'm going to put 15 over here. Ooh, let's make it a little bigger. 15 hamburgers. I'm going to put an exclamation point because that's just so exciting. And that's it for our DMR. Great job.